Well, here we are. Garden's lush. Sophia is taking various village sisters into circle into the area so they can taste the fruit and have the knowledge of good and evil. And the females were excited. They could see that it's awakening what they're really here to do. And if we follow the Garden of Eden story, it's similar to what happened in one village, in one situation, where one sister was so excited, because we do get excited and we do get chatty, don't we? She was so excited. She thought maybe this male partner would like to know that things are going along well. And she included him in that information exchange. And in that information exchange and her presence set off alarm buttons for those who were monitoring the male body. Because all of a sudden, here's some presence that's showing up they don't know about. And when they look into it more closely, very quickly, they discover that there is a body suit, an earth suit that they do not own. And they immediately come into that space and say to the male, you cannot know and discern good from evil. It's not your job. We won't let you have that. It's for us gods, if you will, to have. And by the way, we are going to take this bodysuit that's not owned and we are going to damage it, target it. We are going to overlay devices on it to own the female body, which will take away her authority voice. And at that point, 300,000 years ago or so, the outsiders now began to use the male body, which they owned, to invade around Gaia, any place where they knew there was villages that they at least knew the male bodysuit was there. They now knew that there was going to be the unowned bodysuit. And so invasion began to happen, village by village by village. And what they were about, those parasitics, was to damage the female bodysuit, to cripple her voice, to diminish her, so her authority would be gone. Because had they not done that, they would have been removed from the planet 300,000 years ago, and we would not be in the mess we are in today. It's like the female voice of authority is the T cell in this body, the canary in the mine shaft, to say there's a problem, correct it. And they wiped that out. So we spun further and further down, down,